Good morning, guys. Let's do a speed through update of what we have going on the farm. Now here's a close-up look at the spikes that he adds on to his shoes to be able to climb up these very high trees. This one's actually not that high, but we do have some that are a lot higher and he climbs those as well. So as you can see here, we get dry coconut as well as jellies. Next, we have our beautiful curry pumpkins. Look at the color inside of this beauty. Here we have some cabbages coming in. Christmas is right around the corner, so of course we have our sorrel. Now cucumbers grow so well here that we've actually installed these posts just for them, but these are the samples of the ones that we've gotten from our old plants. Had to pause to eat one of our papas, and now we're ending off hot with our scotches. Our trees are loaded and growing beautifully. Now until next time, we will talk soon.